Hey guys, my name is Maika and welcome to my channel. So you guys, chill, sit, and come with me. So, we're going to St. Augustine Parish Church, commonly known as Baliwag Church. Dahil dun kami magkikita-kita nila EJ at Nicole. And we're here at the Baliwag Church. At habang hinihintay namin sila EJ, ay bumili muna si Rinel na makakain niya kasi hindi pa nga daw siya kumakain. At dito nga kami ni Rinel bumili sa may tabi ng simbahan. Maraming iba't ibang pagkain dyan. At yung chicho nga yung napili niya, yung isang cup, 30 pesos. Medyo marami naman yung 30 pesos mo, mabubusog ka na din. Inaalok nga ako ni Rinel dahil nga busog ako, hindi na ako kumuha. At nakarating na nga si EJ at si Nicole na lang yung hiniintay namin. By the way, the St. Augustine Parish Church or Baliwag Church was established as an independent parish in 1733. The current Percuse stone structure was built from 1769 to 1830, with the convent finished in 1802. It has played a key role in history, notably as the baptism site of Patriot Marciano Ponce and as AU's headquarters during a Philippine-American War. At nung dumating na nga si Nicole ay dali-dali kami umalis ng Baliwag Church dahil nga baka magabihan kami at maabutan kami ng ulan. Pero salamat naman sa Diyos ay hindi naman umulan. At papunta kami ngayon sa Bustos Church ay para doon din ay mag-film. At dito nga malapit sa may tibag ay medyo traffic na kaya medyo natagalan kami. So madadaanan din natin yung bridge ng Bustos. The bridge in Bustos, Bulacan, initially known as the Baliwag Bustos Bridge, was built in 1968 and later renamed the General Aleo S. Santos Bridge in 1989 to honor the World War II hero. The bridge connects the municipalities Bustos and Baliwag, spanning the Angat River. The renaming was formalized through Republic Act No. 6762. And we're here. The Santo Niño Parish Church in Bustos, Bulacan is deeply rooted in a local tragedy and the community's devotion to the Holy Child Jesus. Established in 1867, the church honors the infants who drowned while crossing the Angat River to attend a baptism in Baliwag.
Pagod na daw siya. Pagod na siya, guys. Lugaw na tayo.
Sige, lugaw.
Lugaw.
Lugaw tolya.
Lugaw na yelo.
Lugaw na yelo.
Wala bang blue? Tolya.
May yelo bang lugaw?
Yung kulay blue. Yung kulay blue dapat.
Sokos na pink. Yung sokos na pink to meron. Tara na!
Kayo ba? Pime!
At umalis na kami ng Bustos Church dahil nga maghahanap kami ng lugawan. Kasi ngayong isa nagkikrave ng lugaw. Ayan, si Nicole nga, ayun. So, ayan, dito kami nakahanap sa San Pedro ng Bustos. Ito yung Goto Overload, anlilugaw dito sa Bustos. Sa halagang 60 pesos is may anlilugaw ka na. Dahil nga napakasarap ng lugaw nila, dumagdag pa ako ng isa. And we're done at nabusog nga kami. Dito, after class namin is pumunta kami ng Talampas ng San Pedro, Bustos, Bulacan para magpahangin at tumambay. And that's all. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye-bye!